taking your breath away, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, take your breath away. This expression is widely used in English conversations, movies, songs, and literature. If you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it in your own conversations, you're in the right place. Let's explore together the beauty and depth of this phrase. The phrase, take your breath away, is a figurative expression used to describe a moment, sight, or experience that is so stunning, beautiful, or surprising that it makes you momentarily lose your breath. This isn't about physical difficulty in breathing but rather a metaphor for feeling awe, surprise, or strong emotions. When something takes your breath away, it captivates you completely, leaving you in a state of wonder or admiration. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used in everyday language and literature. 1. Natural beauty. The first time I saw the Grand Canyon, it took my breath away. The vastness and beauty of it all were overwhelming. 2. Romantic moments. When they turned the corner and saw the surprise candlelit dinner, it took their breath away. 3. Achievements and surprises. Watching the athlete break the world record took my breath away. It was a moment of pure astonishment. These examples show that the phrase can be used in a variety of contexts, from appreciating nature to expressing feelings about personal or observed experiences. When using take your breath away, keep these tips in mind. Context is key. Ensure the situation is significant or visually stunning enough to warrant such a strong expression. Emotional impact. It's best used when describing experiences that evoke strong emotional responses. Variety in expression. Remember, English is rich with expressions. Take your breath away is just one way to express admiration or surprise. Feel free to explore others to enrich your language skills. We hope this exploration of the phrase, take your breath away, has been enlightening and inspiring. English is a language full of beautiful expressions that can add depth and emotion to our conversations. Whether you're describing the indescribable beauty of a landscape, the overwhelming feeling of a personal achievement, or the surprising moments of daily life, this phrase can add a touch of poetry to your speech. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to use what you've learned today in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.